Hey guys, Aptos and Arbitrum have combined to give away over $2 billion via Airdrop. Everyone could earn from $3,000 to $5,000 just for using the blockchain. Currently, airdrops are trending and you're late every day. That's why you need to start today. I'm going to tell you how you can make $100,000 on drops by spending only 5 minutes a day and how to increase your chance of a reward. Let's go! Why are projects giving away billions of dollars worth of tokens for free? And what's the catch? The point is that projects need activity and liquidity, and people need money. That's why projects like Aptos, Optimism, and Arbitrum encourage users to do different blockchain activities, for which they reward them generously. Those who minted Aptos' free NFT earned 150 APTs, which is $2,000 to $3,000 per wallet. Arbitrum gave away 1.1 billion ARB tokens, which is over $1.6 billion at the current price. Everyone could earn $3,000 to $5,000 just by using the blockchain, and those aren't the last drops. What do you need to do to make more than $100,000 on the next ARB drops? It's important to understand that retro drops are not announced in advance. The project may or may not give out rewards at all. There is no guarantee that you will receive a reward. Keep that in mind. But now I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to get the biggest airdrop with almost 100% probability. Each project has its own criteria for rewards, but there are similar criteria. Aptos had the simplest criteria: apply for a testnet and mint a free NFT. To get rewards in Arbitrum, you had to transfer liquidity to Arbitrum, use blockchain at least once a month, and make 4 or more transactions. Optimism had the toughest selection criteria, but even there it was enough to make more than 5 transactions in the blockchain and to make at least 1 transaction every week during the month. As you can see, the general criteria are simple. You need to make 5 to 10 transactions, transfer a certain amount of liquidity, and use the blockchain regularly. Now I will break down 3 real projects with high airdrop potential and tell you what you need to do to earn $100,000. Let's start with the most hyped project, Layer 0. It's an omni-chain bridge that allows you to quickly and securely send liquidity from one blockchain to another. For example, transfer 1,000 USDC from Arbitrum to Ethereum in a couple of minutes. Layer 0 has raised $260 million, valued at $3 billion. That's twice as much as Arbitrum. Market leaders like Circle, Sequoia, Coinbase Ventures, and others have invested in the project. To make you understand the level of the project, even the NYSE congratulated Layer 0 for closing round B. This shows the scale and the potential of the project. Layer 0's airdrop could be even bigger than the one of Arbitrum, which is why you need to start doing activity today. Okay, less lyrics and more practice. So there are 3 steps you need to take to increase your chances for airdrop. I'll leave all the links in the description box, by the way. The first is transactions. Transfer liquidity over the Stargate bridge. This is Layer 0's flagship product, so activity there is mandatory. You will need a MetaMask wallet where you have to withdraw some ETH tokens in the Arbitrum network and FTM in the Phantom network. This is needed for commission fees. You can transfer to other blockchains, it's just these 2 are the cheapest. Then, from the exchange, you should withdraw USDC in the Arbitrum network to the MetaMask wallet and make an exchange through the Stargate bridge. After the transfer, your USDC will be on Phantom blockchain, and you can transfer them back to Arbitrum. I will attach a link to the thread with detailed instructions. And now the most important point, which few people will tell you. On the Dune Analytics website, you can see in real time who and how many transactions were made. As you can see, only 12% of wallets made more than 5 transactions. So you have to do 6 transactions and you will already have an advantage over most people, and hence the higher chance of getting a reward. I suggest you make at least 1 transaction every 2 weeks. It's important that you use blockchain regularly. As a bonus, you can use Aptos Bridge and transfer USDC from Arbitrum to Aptos. The commission fee is low anyway. The second step is liquidity. It's not just the number of transactions that matters, but also the amount of money you send through Stargate. According to Dune Analytics, less than 6% of users have transferred more than $1,000 over the bridge. So if you move more than $1,000 in total, you greatly increase your chances of getting the airdrop. However, be careful. If you don't use DeFi, I would start with small amounts to avoid accidentally losing money by mistake. Third one is voting. On the Stargate platform, in the staking section, you can stake STG tokens. Then go to the Snapshot website, connect your wallet, and you can vote in 2 clicks. Remember that Optimism gave away rewards for voting, so this may be another criteria for the airdrop. So, I briefly went through the basic criteria for Layer 0 airdrop and explained how to get into the top 5% of wallets that will get the biggest airdrop. You can find all the links in the description box. To earn $100,000, do activity on 10 to 20 purses. More wallets means more rewards. In the second part of this video, we will break down 2 projects. One of them has the largest investments, and the second one will be released very soon. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up to increase your chance of airdrop. Would you like to get an airdrop from a project as good as Aptos? You probably guessed that this would be Sui Network's airdrop with Sui Token. It is a Layer 1 blockchain from former Meta employees with very similar technology as Aptos. The project has raised more than $330 million in investments and claims a valuation of several billion dollars. Sui plans to launch as early as this quarter, but here's what's the most interesting part. Sui's tokenomics allocate 50% of its tokens to the community. This is most likely an airdrop, as Aptos has a similar token allocation model. Although on the other hand, the co-founder of Miston Labs, Sui's developer company, tweeted that there will be no airdrop. However, he then added in the comments that there might be. I'm sure there will be an airdrop. So next is a list of activities to do. First, create a Sui wallet and request test tokens via Discord. This is a permanent Sui testnet stage going on right now that will not be dropped. This is the stage where Aptos gave out airdrop for NFT. Second, interact with ecosystem applications on Sui, mint NFT, or make an exchange for DEX. I'll attach a link to a thread with basic Sui Network activities below. However, I personally think that Sui is already overheated, and it will give away rewards to a smaller number of users, or very few tokens. We should have done the activities earlier, but for the sake of ticking off, do activities on one wallet. It's free and won't take much time. And the next project will be much bigger than Arbitrum and Aptos, so we're going to talk about it now. The last project for today is zkSync. It is a Layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum, similar to Arbitrum but with zero-knowledge technology. The funds have invested $458 million, which means there will definitely be money here. So how do you grab a piece of such a juicy pie and make money? The zkSync era only launched at the end of March, so there's at least another year before the retro drop. There's a lot of activity online right now because of the hype, so I'll wait until the interest fades away and commission fees become lower. But for now, it is important to do one action for which you get an airdrop with high probability. First, we top up our MetaMask wallet with ETH tokens on the Ethereum network, then go to the official zkSync Era bridge and transfer liquidity from Ethereum to zkSync Era. You'll pay $5 to $10 of commission fees, but the possible future airdrop will pay for your efforts. After you transfer liquidity to zkSync Era, create another wallet and make several transfers between wallets. Transactions are an important criterion for airdrop. That's it, guys. I shared with you 3 most promising projects for the airdrop. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Your CoinPost.